We're at a cascada here, about 15 minutes from the border of Argentina. And there's not much of a waterfall right now because it hasn't rained for months. But it's really beautiful regardless of any of that. Very windy, so you could fall off. Get a little wet over there, it looks like. That's the Cascada Inverted Waterfall, it's called, because the wind blows it straight up. Yeah, you could probably loosen up those rocks a tad and go down with them, so maybe not a good idea to get that close. The knees are totally destroyed from yesterday's 16-mile vertical hike, up and down. It's worth it though. We saw the Alto Lagoon, some lizards, a bunch of wild mountain flowers, and it was really nice, beautiful forest to go through. And then we got above the tree line. Then you could see the whole region from there.